Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for your support. In our today's video, I'll be teaching you on how to shift a 5-speed manual gear shift, 5-speed front and reverse as 7. So gear 1 is 1 push to my right, then up. Considering that this gear lever is always between 3 and 4. If it is 5 speed, it's always between 3 and 4. So that would depend with the car manufacturers. This is a Toyota. So considering that it's always between 3 and 4, so gear 1 is always 1 push to my right, then up. Then gear 2 is obviously straight from 1 to 2. So that is gear 2. Then gear 3, going to gear 3 from gear 2, you just give it 1 push for it to disengage from gear 2 to neutral. So like I said, neutral is always between 3 and 4. That is neutral, between 3 and 4. So if I just give it push, just some push, it will come back, then you just push it up. That is gear 3. Then gear 4 is obviously straight from gear 3. That is gear 4. Then gear 5 is 1 push to the neutral position, then 1 push to my left, then 1 push up. That is gear 5. So all the gears are done. Then in reverse, obviously you have to come back to neutral, then you come 1 step to my left, then down. That is the reverse. So a quick reminder, just gear 1, that is gear 2 straight, then gear 3 just give it 1 push, it will come back to 3 and 4, then you push it. That is gear 3. Then gear 4 is obviously straight, then gear 5. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.